In that last video, you saw my irbradio.com website, and you saw that it was hosted in an S3 bucket. I do want to take a moment to just show you how amazing the world of serverless compute is now. We're going to go into that S3 area, and I have this irbradio.com S3 storage bucket, and there is the index.html, the CSS style sheet, and inside the images folder, all of the images that make up that website. And what I've done is I've gone into the properties of this bucket, and I've gone down to the website hosting, and I've turned on, as you can see, static website hosting. But you don't have to build a LAMP server. You don't have to build a web server, an IIS server for you Microsoft folks out there. No, you just toss your static website into a bucket, turn on static website hosting, and you've got a website. Woohoo! Amazing, right? And this is an example of serverless computing in action. Sure, AWS has a service called EC2 where you can spin up virtual servers in the cloud, but why do that for a web server if all you have to do is drop the files into an S3 bucket and turn on static website hosting? And by the way, if you think this is some gimmick that wouldn't be used by some large organizations or enterprises out there, you'd want to think again, because companies like Disney have used this feature, and they'll toss in there a trailer for some upcoming major film, and then they will distribute it globally to edge locations using CloudFront. And that's actually what I've done with my radio station. Watch this. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. Go ahead to irbradio.com in your browser, and you're going to notice that this thing comes up lightning fast. And the reason it comes up lightning fast, no matter where you're located on the globe, is because I have this cached in CloudFront edge locations all over the globe. And it costs me pennies a month to do this. Just a real world little bonus video here for us on just how amazing technologies like serverless compute can be in today's cloud environment. Thanks so much for watching.